one of the craziest things going on, that's because of Corona, is the president. I have to respect him for actually bringing in the U.S. Navy ship Comfort. Look at it right there. That big naval ship. There's a ton of beds and medical staff on there to be able to handle a bunch of sick people, which is super cool thing to see this day and age. Like, when is that ever gonna come to New York again? It was escorted in with the US Navy. I mean, it's probably one of the best entrances you'll ever get to see on the news, and to see it in person is pretty awesome. Buenos dias. It's Monday. Gonna figure out what we're doing today, so I'm not even sure. Like every Monday. This is a project I've been working on for a minute. Alright, so we got a little mini CNC machine. And I basically want to cut a little piece of aluminum to say a name, and then put a light behind it. The reason it's out here is because it's really loud and it makes a lot of dust, and I don't want it in the office. So we're gonna see if we can set it up here and just leave it running. So I have this aluminum test piece. We're gonna practice on this, make the design, and then use this as a template when we make the final, edit. So I'm gonna cut this so it fits in the machine. So, we've been working on this all day long. What progress have we made? We have made no progress. No, actually we made progress. So, I did it around 5 or 6 times, or 2 more times from the last time. So this is like round 6 or 7. So we have the name right here, cut all the way through how I want it. The program doesn't give you a preview of how it's gonna cut, so I'm kind of just cutting it at the top, and then if it's good, I'm gonna cut it down here where it's supposed to go. This is what it came out to. This is kind of the design I wanted, something see-through. I have to put this down here. Still trying to figure out how this is gonna work, because you see these letters, they don't have their backing. I have to find a way to suspend these over here. All right, I sprayed a ton of coolant on there, so let's just let that do its thing and do something else. Funny story. It's funny, right?
What's funny?
We can't get the damn car to start, so now we're working on it outside.
That's hilarious.
Yo, technically we have the resources to start this car, because we could just jump start it from any other cars that are running, but
our boosters don't work.
It's just more fun to kind of just take the challenge of working outside. Really more fun, just I don't feel like doing a lot of work right now. It's like 6 o'clock. He's been working all day too.
I mean, it's
see, when he's on camera, he shuts up, right? But when he's off camera, you just can't get him to shut up. Happy 420, everybody. Yeah, it's 420. I completely forgot to mention that. Happy 420. So now's the time I kind of want to mention that I like to make things as difficult as humanly possible. I could have taken this lip off, little side lip, but I decided, hey, let me just leave it on for the heck of it. And now I'm having a hell of a time wrapping it in here. I got it, look, smooth. I got it tucked in here. All I gotta do is tuck it this way. that was really unnecessary. I could have taken like 5 extra minutes to take this off, but sometimes you kind of just want to go a little bit faster. When you skip stuff, that's what happens. I'm not complaining. Well, I am complaining more like a vent, but at least we got it done. Looks pretty good. I just need a cut and tuck and we're good. Headed to the city to drop off this car. Let's go check out New York City, how it's doing. Coming to this roof, this was the best part of the day. These gears are so annoying. Bring back the old school. Where's the park button? This up. Bring back old traditional gears. They're more fun. These are just weird. I don't like it. So just moving this car so we can check it out. We clear protected this car a while back. Came back to because a roof shingle fell from here down onto the car. It was actually during that heavy windstorm last Monday, I think. So we're gonna see if we're gonna peel it off together, see if the clear actually helped it out. It was kind of a hard hit, so I'm not sure if the clear held up, but we're gonna check now, see if we have to repaint it. So this is all the damage here. Headlight. We didn't clear the headlight, the bumper, and then this piece. May have spoke too soon. Tornado warning. I was literally just outside. All right, let's finish. Stop raining for a bit, so let's finish peeling this off. So we're finally done with the TL Woodland Camo Wrap. Waiting on the customer to pick it up. So we actually did a little bit more because the car was here so long. I gave him some headlight tints, you know, on the house. Threw in some reflective gold for his accents over here. And then, you know, we detailed the inside. It was pretty dirty. Just wanted to make sure that, you know, he was good on all fronts and he's happy. The car looks great. So we're gonna see his reaction when he gets here.
You did that. You did that. This is crazy. You did that, man.
I swapped it out. I got you a new one.
This is my car?
A little bit of trim on the inside, that black piece. Alright, there you go. There wasn't much talking because it's kind of hard to talk with these freaking masks on, but he loved it. He didn't really know what to say, which was really cool. I appreciate that. That's kind of what makes the job, you know, worth it. And his car was here the 18th of last month. He just picked it up today, which is Saturday, the 25th. So the car was here for a while, but you know, he brought it at probably the worst possible time. And you know, I let him know, you know, we were kind of going through the motions of what was going on around the world. We're kind of agreed to put the project on hold, so he really loved it. So, I mean, honestly, from when that car first came in, it's a completely different car. It looks like brand new. I mean, the car had a ton of scratches everywhere, you know. I guess where he parks, everyone hits him all the time. That's why he has like the bumper cover. Just with the camo plus the satin, it just really transforms how it looks. So that's kind of why I love like camo wraps. It's crazy. It's a crazy effect that it has. All right, so guy just came, dropped off his car. His car is looking good. There's a few minor things that we're just gonna fix on the car. I'm not gonna do it right this second because it's Sunday, and Sunday is the day I edit these videos. Again, guys, if you like these videos, you know, like, subscribe. Let me know what you think in the comments. They all help me kind of gauge what you guys are interested in. Do you like the video? Do you not like the video? Put in the comment, because we in quarantine and it's fun to read comments and stuff. See you guys next week.